In this video, we're going to be exploring the MSP Dashboard. The MSP Dashboard allows MSPs to perform tasks such as managing clients, sites, and sub-organizations, white labeling the product, and much more. Ready to take a tour of the MSP Dashboard? Let's begin. The first indication that you're on the MSP Dashboard is the MSP label attached to the DNSFilter logo at the top of your screen. If you can see this, then you're currently operating as an MSP. Just beside the DNSFilter logo is the MSP Organization's drop-down menu. This is divided into different sections, one for the MSP Dashboard, and the other for organizations registered under this MSP. Clicking any of the sub-organizations will take you into that organization's account. There you can control the account by creating sites, configuring filtering policies, and managing users of that organization. You also have an Add Organization button to add a new organization to your MSP account. Now let's navigate to where your MSP specific settings are. This can be found on your dashboard side menu labeled MSP. Let's go ahead and expand the menu. The first page you're presented with is the profile page. Here you can enter your MSP organization's details such as the organization's name, address, and phone number. There is also a special external ID field for entering a unique ID that can be used to reference your organization when integrating your DNSFilter account with external services. Another noteworthy field on this form is the billing contact email field. This is where you enter the email where you want your invoices to be sent to. If this is left blank, invoices will be sent to the owner of the account. Next, we have the users section. Here you can add new users to your organization, grant admin or read-only privileges, and remove users. You can also use the edit button to edit a user and restrict that user to specific organizations. Do note that this area is specific to MSP users. If you want to manage users in any of the organizations under your MSP account, you need to click on the organization drop-down and click the organization in the drop-down menu to switch to the dashboard of that organization. Now let's take a look at white labeling. The white label section allows you to configure a custom login panel for your clients. To configure this, you need to first turn on the Enable White Label switch. Then you can enter details like the name that appears on your dashboard and a custom domain name to map to. You can also select a different logo to replace the DNSFilter logo and also add a favicon. This helps to further position the product to reflect your brand. Another white label feature is the ability to add a custom branded email. This can be provided to you by contacting DNSFilter support. Otherwise, all your system emails such as password resets and block page disputes will be white labeled so that they are generic. To your customer, it appears to come from you. The next section under the MSP menu is the billing section. Inside the billing section, you can see the subscription plans available to you as an MSP. You can also see a summary of your MSP plan in the partner account section. There is also a section for add-on services like our data export feature, which allows integration with CM and SOA tools. You can also see a summary pricing of the add-ons you have included in your plan. Just at the bottom of the page, you can select a plan amongst the available options. This can be done separately for each organization under your MSP account. After selecting a subscription plan for an organization, you can choose whether you would like to pay monthly or per annum. You can then enter the number of users and access points you want to provision for to get a subscription code. Once you hit save, all your subscription settings go into full effect. Scrolling back up, there is also an Invoices tab. When clicked, this tab will load your latest invoices and you can download any of them onto your machine. Lastly, we have the Manage tab. Here you can configure your payment methods, enter your billing details, and also cancel your account. Do note that only the owner of the MSP account can cancel the account. The last section in your MSP menu is the Settings section. The first set of controls in this section enables you to apply two-factor authentication to your account. This adds an additional layer of security to your account by requiring a one-time PIN before access is granted to your account. This comes immediately after email and password verification. Turning on this setting will enforce two-factor authentication for all users within the MSP organization. Individuals within this organization can also turn on this setting for their account within their account settings. Lastly, we have the GDPR tab. Here you can limit the amount of personal identification information of your users that DNSFilter collects to be in compliance with the GDPR regulation. As you can see, this feature can be enabled per organization. And that's your complete tour of the DNSFilter MSP dashboard. For more information on all configurations discussed, please visit our knowledge base. You can also check out our channel for videos on specific settings and features. Want to give us a try? Sign up for a free trial or request a demo on our website. Thanks for watching.